Country people like throw a salute. I wanna day our body. Like this, we dey carry the waka dey pass CFC flyover for inside we Pitakwa, the garden city of Port Harcourt, and on our right is Garrison, but no be that side where we dey go. We dey carry the waka like this past this Catholic church, dey face Aba Road, and where we dey go na Rivers State House of Assembly. For your front way, dey see so na Port Harcourt Tower be this. We dey carry the waka dey go front. The voice where they are on the voice of Port Harcourt Dispatch Rider, Orun God's will. Country people make I no life for and I don't tire well like this, but I just have to do it because one of my fans they make the requests back to back, say please do a scenic ride to Rivers State House of Assembly na him be this, and I hope it makes him happy. Still on sea for the waka country people, we don't carry am dey climb mile 1 flyover, and on your left these buildings where you dey see like this, na this same building immigration dey here, jam office dey here, and other offices. Properly we dey on top mile 1 flyover, and on our right this yellow building na be mile 1 police station. If you take this your right on top this flyover na Education and Ikwere Road na you dey enter. On our left where you dey see so na Isaac Boro Park na him be this for inside we Pitakwa, the garden city of Port Harcourt. Like this we don't carry the waka reach UTC junction. Your right like this na him be Abonima Wharf. Your left go carry you enter OGRA, but no be that side where we dey go. I no wan show that route, make we dey go straight. Mona no vex, I don't want talk pass like this, make I just give una the vibe. Enjoy. This is Port Harcourt Mall, Spa. Na him be that. Like this we dey pass Rivers State Government House. Central Bank of Nigeria, Rivers State Branch. For this post office, we are making our left turn. Remember, say where we dey go na Rivers State House of Assembly. Lift up your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Rivers State Secretariat is under renovation. Glory to God. Like this, we did the backyard of Rivers State High Court. Glory to God. But I live like this, na be police hospital. Glory to God. See wetin laziness they do me, I don't tire. Tell am say na Port Harcourt Local Government City Council na im be dis for our right, and on our left na im be NBA Nigeria Bar Association Port Harcourt branch. Just follow me the way we dey go. Straight go see carry you dey enter inside old GRA, but we dey take our right dey enter Moscow Road based on say where we dey go na Rivers State House of Assembly. On your left is Rivers State House of Assembly. Na so e be now. This is the new Rivers State House of Assembly. You don see as e be, they don do am finish. Glory to God. Na abeg I dey beg una, abeg see all my social media handles, especially my YouTube Oron Godswill. Please search me on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, watch my videos and drop a comment. Also follow me on Twitter. God bless you. Abeg, if you watch this video reach this point, comment I watched to the end. Na that word mean a lot to me. Na im be the encouragement wey dey keep me going.